week I'm gonna film another casual vlog, just daily stuff, except it's already Wednesday, so I'm just gonna do like the next couple days. But I brought out my, what is this called? Camcorder. My dad used to use this all the time, and it has the actual like tape in it, and then we found a way to like convert it digitally. So I might try to test this out throughout the week along with this ZV-1 setup maybe. It's kind of like a nice middle ground between like something very new and high-tech and like a Super 8 camera, because we have a Super 8 camera, but it's like you don't really know what you're filming, you can't see it, and then you send it in, you gotta wait for it to come back, so it's just like a longer turnaround time. So this is like, it has that nostalgic feeling, but it's like instant too. You can see it, you can play it back, and it still gives that feeling that I'm kind of longing for. And for today, my sister is gonna come over in a bit, and we're gonna maybe go to the museum. Yeah, so I'm just gonna spend the afternoon with her, and I have a test shoot for this shoot later on today, so I'll go do that. You know what I love about this camera? It's the slow zoom. There's something so cool about it. Let's go to the museum.
Don't hang up. Can we be friends again? I give up. I know how this ends. Might sound strange, but I'd give my life for you. Nothing's changed. I just ran away from the truth. One of us makes a mistake. We work our way through the heartache, and then we're back where we started. Gone full circle again. But that's what we do.
testing the night vision.
It kind of turns it black and white, yeah. There's a light too on the side.
Testing night vision.
Hey, stay still, please. This is one of a kind
chicken namban
Japanese
and
food.
spicy ahi. He usually orders 2 because he's a big boy. He's a big boy.
Oh, there you go. Oh, we should switch.
So I used this the whole day yesterday and it was so easy to take out. For some reason, I feel like compared to like my professional camera, it's just much more intimidating to bring out, especially when I'm out, like, you know, International Marketplace where we went, to bring it out like that big camera around people. It's just like people will stare and be like, you know, everyone has seen this, their dad has used it or they've used it. So I feel like it's very family video style, so it's not as intimidating to bring out. So I am enjoying it so far, and anyone can pick it up and film, so it's fun because, you know, my sister was able to like film a little bit too. Today I just worked a little bit in the morning and I'm gonna dye my hair back because it's bad. The maintenance is kind of becoming irritating, so I think I'm just gonna go back to a darker color. I'm sure when I get bored again, I'll probably dye it light again. But for now, I think I'm over it. So we're gonna go back to a dark hair color.
Hey, it's not the same. If I close my eyes, maybe I'll feel you again. Hey, relight the flame. Draw it out with your hands, cover every inch of my brain. I've crossed to the other side.
It's so far. I know.
Once there's a camera, he doesn't look. He like avoids eye contact. He looks like he's purposely.
I saw how you came and went. Fell in and out, then
This
back
reminds me of a horror movie.
It felt like you were heaven sent. Someone I love slipped through my hands. All my
But then by then I'd be older.
emotion, you were there to take it up. You poured it out into the ocean. 'Cause you can't keep it.
Smells good.
Whoa. I almost taste like seafood.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Here, catch him.
Yes.
Oh,
Is it
there
there?
it is. It is, isn't it?
Yes, that's it. That's it. Oh my god, why do I forget every time?
Yeah. Hard to get guava with it.
Oh, right now it's not.
Yeah. Very hard.
Okay. Okay, why is it so much? Right? It's like super right. Whoa, they look humongous. I've been using this for the past few days and I thought I'd do a little review. So let's start with some of the pros. First of all, like I mentioned, it's very easy to take out and film because you just turn it on and you press record and there's a zoom feature. Like, it's just really easy and it's not intimidating for me and the people around me. And again, it's super user friendly. So you can just like hand it off to your friend and they'll be able to use it fine because it's super easy to use. But then the footage just isn't that great and it's like shaky. I have to really focus on making it not shaky. I know a lot of the footage was shaky, so I gotta like practice being super still with it. And then the audio is just not that great. So I think moving forward, I want to use it like sparingly because I think it's a really cute vibe, you know, like people like it for the vibe. But I think when it's a whole vlog on the camcorder, it's just kind of irritating because it's like the footage is just not that good and it's a lot of movement. So I feel like using a few little clips from the camcorder along with my ZV-1 or the A7S III, I think it's figuring out when I want to use it. But it was good to experiment this week or like the past few days. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and stay tuned for more, I guess. Okay, shoot.